आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question given here is the pendulum on a clock swings through 25 degree and tip sweeps out an arc of 12 inches. How long is the pendulum? Options given are A 1.67 inches, B 13.8 inches, C 27.5 inches and D 43.2 inches. We here first try to draw the pendulum and find out a schematic approach. So here is the pendulum, initial position, finally it goes to this position. So here is the arc formed like a circle, this is the theta angle swept out and this is the arc swept out. Here we have been given this theta angle which is equal to 25 degree and arc length is given to be 12 inches and length of pendulum we have to find out. Let us consider it to be P. Now we know a formula that radius of circle into angle in radians equals to length of arc. Now as in this formula angle should be in radians, we now first convert this 25 degree into radians. So as we know 180 degree equals to pi radians and 1 degree should be equals to pi by 180 radians. So 25 degree equals to 25 pi by 180 radians. So now we have found out the 25 degree in radian value, 25 pi by 180. Now we use that formula. So by this formula, length of pendulum into angle swept out equals to length of arc swept out. Now length of pendulum we have taken it to be P. Angle swept out is in radians, so equals 25 pi by 180 and length of arc swept out is given to be 12 inches. So P equals to 12 into 180 by 25 pi. So if we find this out, we can see by a calculator this is equals to 27.5 inch. So length of the pendulum, if we check the options, it comes out to be C 27.5 inches.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।